Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Model 1's lipstick gel polishes and their dip powders. So recently they had sent me this amazing kit which includes everything that you need to do nail art. But before we start with reviewing this kit, I wanted to say that this video will be in two parts. Part 1 is where I will be showing you what I received from Model 1's, and the second part is where I'm going to be creating a manicure with the products that I received. So definitely stay tuned for the second part. But without any further ado, now let's see what I received. So the first products that I could saw after opening the kit was this cute nail decals or nail stickers. There are some really cute heart ones on one side, and on the other side there is some gold jewel ones. Then I also received this nail brush for cleaning and scrubbing your nails. Up next, I have also received these nail files for filing and buffing my nails. And they have also sent me this cuticle trimmer which will be very helpful. I have also received this cuticle oil pen which is amazing. It smells super fresh and it's really good for nails. And of course you can't use gel polishes without LED lamp, so they have also sent me their LED lamp, and this time I have received this lamp in pink color which is really exciting. And here are the 6 lipstick gel polishes along with a base coat and a top coat. Now you will get to see swatches of each of these colors later in the video, so stay tuned. So that was everything in that kit that I showed earlier, but along with that I have also received some additional products to use it with dip powders. So first I received this nail file and a brush to brush off any excess dip powder. Along with that I have also received a base coat, activator, top coat, and a brush solution. And here are the 6 dip powders that I received. Now let's look at the swatches of each of this color. So the first shade here we have is in the name ATPA005. I will leave it on the screen so you can refer to it later. But this is a very pretty light pink color, very gorgeous. And I love how bright and opaque it looks after applying the top coat. Then we have almost like a very orange creamsicle kind of color, and this looks absolutely stunning in 2 coats. Really love this color, and I think it's perfect for summer. Then we have the basic white dip powder, and I really like this dip powder because it's very opaque in just 2 coats and you can't go wrong with white color. Then we have another shade of pink. Now this one is more light and it almost looks like a baby pink, which is really pretty, and I love this dip powder because it's very smooth and very pretty. Now we have another orange kind of color. Now this one is very light and it almost looks like a peach color, and again it's very gorgeous and very stunning. And last but not the least, we have this very light neutral kind of color in the shade ADP-A004. So those were the 6 dip powders, and to be very honest, I really love each of them because they were very opaque in terms of colors and their formulas were amazing. So now let's look at the swatches of their lipstick gel polishes. So the first shade here we have is in the number 12, and this is a very light beige kind of color. I really like this color because it's very basic, so you can't go wrong with it. Then next we have this almost like a tan, like a very dark shade. I don't exactly know how to describe this color, but again it's very pretty, and it only took 1 coat to be completely opaque, which is impressive. Then we have this dusty pink in the shade number 10, and one thing I really love about this gel polishes is that their packaging. I really love how they all have this like matte finish. I think it defines them as lipstick, and really love their idea of making this as a lipstick collection. Up next we have a little bit more darker pink. I think this is more like a rosy pink in the shade 9, and I really love this color. Then we have this winey red color in the shade number 8, and this is actually like a perfect color to wear around fall, so can't wait to wear this around fall. And last but not the least, we have this darker shade in the shade number 7, and on camera this actually looks a little bit lighter than in real life. In real life it's very dark purple, almost like an eggplant. So that's it. These are all the 6 shades of their lipstick gel polishes, and overall I'm really impressed with their dip powders and their gel polishes because, to be very honest, I did not expect them to be this good. And speaking about their dip powders, I really love their formulas. They were very easy to apply and very easy to file down, so that was a really good plus point about their dip powders. And to talk about their gel polishes, I really loved the colors. I think they were all very unique and different, and you can really wear them around any time of the year, which is amazing. So thank you so much to Model Ones for sending this amazing packet over. I had a blast to create this video, and do stay tuned for second part of this video because I'm sure you love it. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll leave all the links in the description, so if you want to purchase any of these products, they will be linked in the description. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.